Structures are very much important. So today we shall discuss about 10 structures. The first, number 1 structure, ना है. Subject plus have to oblique has to plus verb 1 plus object. We can take an example of मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेना है. I have to take it seriously. Structure number 2, ना पड़ा. Subject plus had to plus verb 1 plus object. मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेना पड़ा. I had to take it seriously. Is that clear now? Structure number 3, ना पड़ेगा और ना ही होगा. Subject plus shall have to oblique will have to plus verb 1 plus object. मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेना ही होगा. I will have to take it seriously. Structure number 4, ना चाहिए. Subject plus should plus verb 1 plus object. मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए. I should take it seriously. Structure number 5, ना चाहिए था. Subject plus should have plus verb 3 plus object. मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए था. I should have taken it seriously. Structure number next, सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं. Subject plus can plus verb 1 plus object. मैं इसे गंभीरता से ले सकता हूं. I can take it seriously. Structure number 7, सकता था, सकती थी, सकते थे. Subject plus could have plus verb 3 plus object. मैं इसे गंभीरता से ले सकता था. I could have taken it seriously. Structure number 8, ना चाहता हूं, ना चाहती है, ना चाहते हैं. Subject plus want 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 oblique wants plus 2 plus verb 1 plus object. मैं इसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहता हूं. I want to take it seriously. Structure number 9, ना चाहूंगा. Subject plus would like to WOULD would like to plus verb 1 plus object. मैं इसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहूंगा. I would like to take it seriously. Structure number 10, ने की जरूरत है. Subject plus need to NEED need TO2 need to oblique needs to plus verb 1 plus object. मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेने की जरूरत है. I need to take it seriously. Completed now 10 structures. The first one, मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेना है. I have to take it seriously. मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेना पड़ा. I had to take it seriously. मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेना ही होगा. I will have to take it seriously. मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए. I should take it seriously. मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहिए था. I should have taken it seriously. मैं इसे गंभीरता से ले सकता हूँ. I can take it seriously. मैं इसे गंभीरता से ले सकता था. I could have taken it seriously. मैं इसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहता हूँ. I want to take it seriously. मैं इसे गंभीरता से लेना चाहूँगा और चाहूँगी. I would like to take it seriously. मुझे इसे गंभीरता से लेने की ज़रूरत है. I need to take it seriously. Completed 10 structure. Now the question arises, how can you keep your mind? First of all, you have to keep your mind serial wise, the structure as I taught you right now. Structures you have to keep in your mind serial wise so that it will take a place in your mind forever to talk in English right from the beginning, because it's not possible for you to keep in your mind once you read it out. You have to repeat. Now you have to change the sentence. You have to create your own example, because by the help of structure you can learn how to talk in English, how to be fluent in English. Nowadays everybody knows to speak 2 to 3, 4, 5 sentences. You can learn by the help of structure. Minimum 100 structure you have to understand. You need to understand. Now you can change the sentence. We can take in another example. Like, आपको यहाँ समय पर आना है. You have to come here on time. आपको यहाँ समय पर आना पड़ा. You had to come here on time. आपको यहाँ समय पर आना ही होगा. You will have to come here on time. आपको यहाँ समय पर आना चाहिए. You should come here on time. आपको यहाँ समय पर आना चाहिए था. You should have come here on time. Come, came, come. Verb 3 is come. You should have come here on time. आप यहाँ समय पर आ सकते हैं. You can come here on time. आप यहाँ समय पर आ सकते थे. You could have come here on time. Come, came, come. Verb 3 is come लग. You could have come here on time. आप यहाँ समय पर आना चाहते हैं. You want to come here on time. आप यहाँ समय पर आना चाहेंगे. You would like to come here on time. Would, W-O-U-L-D. Would, you would like to come here on time. आपको यहाँ समय पर आने की ज़रूरत है. You need to come here on time. Is that clear? Now you can take your own example by using the same structures. We have completed 10 structure. First one is ना है, second one is ना पड़ा, third one is ना ही होगा, fourth one is ना चाहिए, next one is ना चाहिए था, next one सकता है, next one सकता था, and then चाहता है और ना चाहता है. Not only चाहता है, ना चाहता है, ना चाहती है, ना चाहता हूँ. The next one ना चाहूँगा. The last one ने की ज़रूरत है. Is that clear? So you can change the subject now. As I spoke by the help of I now, make it sure that what are the subjects available that you need to remember. I, we, they, you, he, she, name. I, we, they, you, he, she, name. Like I have to go there. I had to go there. I will have to go there. I should go there. I should have gone there. I can go there. I could have gone there. I want to go there. I would like to go there. I need to go there. Now you can change I and then we. We have to go there. We had to go there. We will have to go there. We should go there. We should have gone there. We can go there. We could have gone there. We want to go there. We would like to go there. We need to go there. And then I, we. Completed. The next one, they. I, we, they, you. He, she, name. I, we, they, you. He, she, name. You have to use these subjects with the structure that you have written today. Is that clear? Along the same structure. Structures are very much important. You cannot be fluent in English without structure. Structure बहुत जरूरी है, आपको याद रखना है. आप इस तरह से याद कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि जो आपका हैव टू, हैज़ टू जहाँ लगाना है, विल हैव टू, नीड टू, स्ट्रक्चर को याद कर लिए. अपना एग्जाम्पल देके आप उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ लेट मी आस्क यू, you all have to repeat the same what I spoke right now. Let me speak once again. Like we can take another example. हम लोगों को अंग्रेजी में बात करना है. We have to talk in English. हम लोगों को अंग्रेजी में बात करना पड़ा. We had to talk in English. H-A-D, had. We had to talk in English.